guys, I hope everybody's fine. So since FL Studio 2026 came out, I did not do any video because I was still checking what should I bring, because a lot of things have been covered already by FL Studio Image Line already and many other creators. But with me, I'm impressed with certain things again based on the content that I produce. So what is this? So this is about Flex, which has completely transformed. They built this plugin again. It's like another plugin. So it has got a lot of sounds which have been improved, a lot of things which are there which are very nice. So why don't we check those things in terms of reggae production? Let's try to do something with reggae. Blessed love. Did a template already. So these are the sounds that I've chosen. Now this side is drums and these are the sounds from Flex. So this is the piano that I've chosen. If you go to library, this is the piano and I chose this one. Direct. See? And you can come to edit sounds here. Check everything around here. You can see the interface is different. A lot of things which have been added. You can play around with the limiter, you can play around with the reverb section, the delay section, the post filter, a number of things down here, echoes, chorus, a lot of things. Yeah, I like that a lot. So this is the piano, and then I've chosen this guitar again from chord guitars, so I chose this mellow guitar. That's the sound. And then there is bass. I chose this bass from chord bass, and this is the bass. Sounds good. So essentials from Essential Pianos, and then the clavi again from here, the general mid library, the recorder which will work as ocarina. I like ocarina. To those who have been watching me produce reggae, I like to use ocarina, sometimes organ, on the bubbling sounds. So that's it. And then yeah, the hubs, this one, yeah, from here, yeah, from here, from this. So you can choose a lot of sounds. You can just explore the sounds based on the genre that you are producing. It's not reggae only. I just did reggae because I like reggae based on my channel. I do reggae a lot. So okay, so let's check it. Let's raise some pianos. So this is the progression. I will copy the same, add it here, paste it on mirror. This is what we have here. Let me do the bubbling. So I'll come to this recorder. It sounds like this, but you can see what I mean. You still use it. Yeah, so I'm gonna do something like this. Reduce something like this. So definitely you have controlled that. Let's add the drums. So was to control this hi-hat. So copy, let me just copy it and create some dynamics with these drums. So so let's check it. Okay, so okay, let's do the bass. Just simple. Some mute guitar like so. So that okay, let's add this gravy and see. Just reduce it. Okay, so let's add this other sound here. Let's throw somehow. Okay, so we got okay, so think we got enough sounds. Alright, so this is basically what I have to do right now. Just to arrange it, just give me a few minutes because of the battery. Let me just arrange quick and add some effects. I'll definitely tell you what I've done. Bless you. Yeah, welcome back. So quick, this is what I've done. I arranged the beat this way, like this, just the first part, and where if there is a singer, this is how they can, this is where they can sing and stuff like that. This could be the chorus. If there is a singer, we can extend something like that. And then I added some drum roll again here. Okay, so what else? I just added everything on the mixer. Then I layered this piano here with I layered this piano with this piano again from Essential Pianos. Just to add some kind of energy to the piano, and this guitar again from the same this Hamburger AC15. So, but these are the sounds. So basically that is it. And then I added them on the mix. I added some few effects here and there just to, you know what I mean, just to spice it up. Actual mixing, just to give it life, so that it doesn't sound like that. That's why you can see most of these sounds are just dry, because there's nothing much, you know what I mean. It's just a rough partial mix. I just touched these guitars just to make sure it sounds good, especially let me look at the bass. There is something that I've done without is I added this plug-in here. EQ'd it like this so that it sounds much better. So basically that is it. So let's listen to everything together. Yeah, thank you so much. This is what I prepared. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. Leave a comment, share, and leave your thoughts on this one. Of course, there are a lot of things that ImageLine has done on FL Studio 2026 update. For example, code detection, the Gopher assistant, which can now control some other features in the DAW, which is okay, but with me, I would not use that one because I noticed one thing. The time that I may take to type, to ask it to do something for me, that is the time I can execute that function manually. So to me, I may not use it, but it's just something good to those who love AI, everything AI, they can still do it, but it's okay, you know what I mean. But out of all, I like this Flex. Flex is really improved. There are a lot of things that you can do. It is not even reggae only. You can do a lot of every genre. This thing is now full of sounds. This plugin is okay now. So yeah, thank you so much. If you want production services, you can contact me. I'll leave my email in the description below. And if you want samples, you can purchase samples. I'm having a lot of good samples that you can purchase for your production. And you can contact me via my email in the description. Blessed love.